Welcome to this series of economics. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the concept of social cost and the marginal social cost. So, social cost is the cost of an economic decision. It is incurred by the society as a whole due to an economic decision, whether it's made by individual, business, or any government. So, it includes both the private costs borne by the decision maker and any external cost imposed on a society. For example, environmental pollution or traffic congestion. And on the other hand, if we talk about the marginal social cost, so it is the additional cost which is imposed on society by producing one more unit of a good or service. So it actually measures the change in the social cost which caused by a unit change in output, an additional unit of output. So it shows the additional social cost imposed on society. So this was today's tutorial. If you have any question, you can ask in comment. Subscribe for complete economics series. Thanks for watching this video and best of luck.